This is my lift up bridge, and I'm gonna do a tutorial pretty soon on how I built it. It's really easy to do. It's just, if you haven't done it, it's kind of a daunting task to take on if you don't know what you're doing. And I watched as many videos as I could on YouTube and stuff, and ended up going with the one I like the best, which is the 2 hinge on top. I'm gonna hide those with something. I'll put something over, maybe a shell of a building that the walls are offset so they can open and close, you know, to hide those things. Or you could just put bushes or trees on there and nobody would ever notice it once you paint it. Desert color like the rest of my layout. I have a locomotive car wash or locomotive wash right here that I put into. It's kind of cool. You don't see that every day. But I'll do a tutorial later on that. What I'm doing a tutorial on today, or a how-to on, is I had this wired up from my main layout to this section that kind of sits by itself. I do have a swing gate as well, and I had to get power to it. So I was using these clips for a while. This wire came through here, and then you had to plug it in every time you use the layout, or you wouldn't get power over here. And it looked kind of unsightly. And I've decided to change that up. So what I did is I just went to Home Depot and I bought these little guys. They're just little copper connectors. Kind of hard to see them in the bag, but I'm gonna take those little Z-shaped pieces out of that copper box, and then I'm going to incorporate them on the drop down gate to land. I'll show you. They'll just be contacts is what they'll be. Let me get this out of the way real quick. So I just drilled a couple holes for these wires that used to be out there. They're gonna come up through this hole right here and this hole right here. I'm going to take a chisel or something and get this dug out a little bit and put one of those copper contacts here, the other one here, and then I'll put the other two up on the door or the drop bridge, and then they'll just come down and they'll hit the contacts and you won't see these wires anymore. And that's what I'm working on now. And then when I get that done, I'll do a video of it working. And then I won't have to mess with plugging this in anymore, which is just kind of a manual, you know, pain in the butt to do. And like I said, it's unsightly. I'll have to fix this gap now. But look for that one to come soon after I'm done. Bye.